the June start of changes. It's gonna be in South. And South is for fame, for relationships, for collaborations, for excitement. We're gonna have to really sit down and communicate about our relationships. Sometimes we have to let go of relationships. And new is gonna come. Don't take it very serious, it might be, but it is the new, because the number 5 is the number of changes. So your financing might be changing. This is the time you're gonna go out and you're gonna meet new people. If it's something which is stopping you to grow, embrace it. Say this is for good. Mercury, it will communicate with the upper world and the lower world. You might were focusing or collaborating with a famous person and it didn't happen. It's okay, be grateful. What did you learn from that experience? Because it's going to be something new, something powerful. That we might be emotional and cry, but that's okay. Don't judge yourself. Say, you know what, I gotta get out of this mess I am because I'm ready for the new one. I love you.